Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Anne and we're giving you a tour of one of the largest developments taking place in Jamaica. We're looking at the Paradisiac Beach Club. Now, this is one of many mega developments taking place in Jamaica. And people often ask the question, who buys these residential developments? Who buys these homes? And the answer is the diaspora. People, Jamaicans living in the US, Canada, and the United Kingdom are investing heavily in Jamaican real estate. And they seem to have a preference for the North Coast. Now, Drax Hall, not too far from here, is the fastest growing community in Jamaica, the fastest growing area. Thousands of homes. It's the diaspora that bought most of those homes. When you check out all these luxury developments going up, the diaspora is buying up these properties. So we're going to give you more information on this. And most of these, I'm not sure if this development is sold out. But so many developments, SOL Harbor sold out. The massive Czech development taking place in Miami Bay sold out. The last report we got from the Pinnacle in Montego Bay was 60% sold out, and that was last year. So these developments are selling. Jamaica is experiencing one of the strongest housing and real estate booms in its history. And one of the biggest forces behind this growth is the Jamaican diaspora. Thousands of Jamaicans living in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and other countries are investing heavily in homes, land, apartments, and commercial properties across the island, helping to fuel record levels of construction and rising property values. Many overseas Jamaicans see real estate as both a secure investment and a way to maintain a connection with their homeland. Some are purchasing retirement homes, while others are buying rental properties, vacation homes, or land for future development. As confidence in Jamaica's economy has grown, more members of the diaspora are viewing property ownership as an opportunity to build wealth while contributing to the country's development. This growing demand has encouraged developers to launch new housing projects throughout the island. Residential developments now account for the majority of construction activity in many parishes, with new gated communities, apartments, townhouses, and luxury villas being built to meet demand. Areas such as St. Anne, St. Catherine, St. James, and Kingston have seen particularly strong growth, attracting both local and overseas buyers. Diaspora investment also brings valuable foreign exchange into Jamaica. Money spent on property, purchases, construction, legal services, furnishings, and maintenance supports businesses across multiple sectors. This inflow of capital strengthens the economy while encouraging further private sector investment. Overall, the Jamaican diaspora has become one of the country's most important real estate investors. Their confidence in Jamaica is helping to transform communities, expand the housing sector, create employment, and stimulate economic activity. As more overseas Jamaicans continue to invest in their homeland, the diaspora is expected to remain a major force behind Jamaica's housing boom and long term national development. Alright, guys, Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys. Have a good day.